Hey guys, what's going on? Luke Profit, aka Profit Products, coming at you with another video today. First off, we're gonna go to the Thrift. It's a little late, like 4 o'clock, so we'll see if there's anything left. But after that, we got some hype unboxing. So stay tuned and let's go.
Jet Blast Music.
A little boogaboo. Not bad. That's a pretty great colorway. Don't know why I didn't talk that whole time. All good though. Men's medium. Charging 25. Probably pass. Let's keep going. On to the next rack. See what we got. Oh, little Levi's double zipper pocket on the front, tapered sleeve, bomber. Not bad. Okay, now we're going on to the bigger sizes, large and extra large. See what we got. Nothing, a Bauer. Box in North End. Oh, little retro Adidas, the flag, Boston number 8, nice, not bad, we'll think about it. Ooh, and a vintage Helly Hansen Helly Tech. It's got the embroidery. Spell it on the back. Nice jacket, size XL. Not bad. Alright, now I'm gonna just get everything I can find and then collect it all and then make a little video. I'm getting low on battery, so see ya in a bit. Alright guys, so we found a pretty decent amount for it being later today. A little bit right there as well. We're gonna go through it when I get home. We'll see you there. Alright, welcome back guys. This is the next day. I didn't get to do it all last night. I got too late and busy doing other things. So now we get to go through all the stuff we got yesterday. Got a huge haul, hyped on that. And then we got 6 Grail mail packages to go through. So we'll get to that at the end. And yeah, let's get right into it. Let's go. Alright, first off, we got a nice Nike, no, this isn't Nike, this is the Team Canada hockey hoodie. Not bad. We got a Oaked Germany, we're from West Germany. It's kind of a designer brand, striped collared shirt. Some of those were going for like $70 online, so it wasn't bad. Got these fire crazy, what were they? They're called Jap Rag denim jeans, and these are designed by Okishana Samoki. That's what it says on the inside. These are dope. These are going for about $100 online. They're missing a button on the front sadly, but they do fit, so I might keep those. And we're going through. We got the vintage or retro Adidas Boston Red Sox number 8. Little varsity jacket style. Next up, we got some clean size 38 Tommy Hilfiger with the big patch on the back jeans. Those are super clean. Can't say no to that. Up next, got this amazingly worn Levi's size XL jacket. It does have the orange tag on the front, and it is amazingly worn for the stonewashed look. Thank you. You got this vintage Columbia little patch on the bottom, little swim shorts right there. Got this dope, haven't really got to find anything or search stuff, but didn't find anything about this yellow Team Canada sweater. That's awesome as well. It is by CCM. That's great. We got a clean Polo 67 training track top.
Jet Blast music.
That's clean, size small. You got another clean little Adidas long sleeve with the full stripage down the sleeves in that red colorway. Not bad, not bad. Keep it going. We got a little Lacoste Sportif spell out track top. That's nice and good condition as well. Can't say no. We got a fire Reebok NHL Buffalo Sabres. Almost forgot that. Miller jersey. Does have the fighting strap as well. There's a full out hockey jersey. That is amazing. Those go for around $100 online. We got this dope Adidas, the green little stripes down the side, super clean pants. This is fire. This is a vintage Nike goalie jersey for soccer. It's got that amazing collar with the sleeve. Might keep this. Number 1 on the back. That is fire. We got this striped Nike Golf Polo. Great colors. We also got this super fire vintage 1986 Blackbird space print on the front and the back shirt, as well as it's on a Champion t-shirt. I had to post this one on the Instagram. It was too fire. That's amazing. Sadly, I looked them up. They don't go for too much. They go for around $40, so that's nothing too crazy. We also got this dope Nike basketball shorts by the Nets. Let me search that up right quick. Phone is recording, can't search that up, but I got these by I don't know, Brooklyn Nets maybe, but yeah, they're shorts. Got those at the Thrift. But I also have this dope Jason Kidd New Jersey jersey to match it, so I guess it's a New Jersey Nets possibly. Got that dope pinstripe on the side. Hype. We also got this sick vintage Polo Ralph Lauren button-up shirt. Does have the sailing boats all around in that nice orange and purple color. These also go for around $50 to $70 online. Not bad though. We also have a vintage Wrangler button-up, great condition, but it is it's got that red color fading all around. Doesn't look too bad though, not too noticeable. Had to pick it up. It's got those cowboys on it. And we also got these vintage Reebok with the little pink logo. Little track pants with the cuff on the bottom. Clean. LL Bean striped Polo rugby. Clean. We're just gonna keep going. We got to get to these packages. A brand new with tags, CCM, little blank hockey jersey. It does have this dope little pattern on the sleeve. Not bad. Thank you. Next, I already had one of these in a red colorway, but now we got the green. This is fire. Helly Hansen vintage Helly Tech jacket. It is waterproof. It's got all the details spell out Logo on the buttons, logo everywhere. Not everywhere, but still a great jacket. These go for around $80 online. Thank you. And right before I left, didn't get to show it in the video. Well, I don't know, in the sneak peek. I stopped at the women's jackets and I found these two fire jackets. Number one, oh, let me zip it up one sec. Number one is this vintage 90s Nike with the embroidery on the side and the floral print all throughout the sleeves. Little track top. It is a size large kids, I believe, so it fits like a medium men's. They were made bigger back in the day, and as well, I also sold my first one of these jackets. It is a Far West Gore-Tex jacket. I had a really colorful one. Sold it for $70, and I got this drip coating Far West times Gore-Tex on the sleeve. Amazing jacket. This is a woman's size large. Could fit a men's large as well. Might keep this for the personal. We'll see though. Amazing. And then on to the packages. Whew, I've been sitting on a couple of these for like 3 months plus. Just waiting to open them. Procrastinating. Waiting to make that Tommy Hilfiger video, but here we go. Let's do it. Coming off. First off, coming in from Chrissy, and this is coming in from Depop. Shoutouts will be up there to the right as usual, maybe to the left, no idea. Let's see. Boom, oh yeah. See that? Oh, it was upside down. Boom. It was right side up. We got this vintage starter NHL. Zip it up. Drip drip Vipers or Detroit Vipers starter jacket, size large, in amazing condition. This is so sick. Got this for a steal as well. Huge patch on the back. Unreal condition. Might even keep this for the personal. Don't even watch hockey, but this is too fire. Thank you so much for that. Up next, coming in from Adam on Depop as well. We got whew, that was a struggle. Alright, we got this dope. See it in the box right there. Vintage Polo Sport backpack in a beautiful light blue colorway. It has a huge spell out all throughout the bottom. It is a little crack, Sally, but it also has the patch on the front. It's amazing. Also says Santa Roberta on the front. He's had it as up as bootleg, but I'm pretty sure it is an authentic bag. I've seen other ones sell for 100 plus online, so that's awesome. Thank you very much. Got 4 more left. This one I've been waiting on for probably 3 months. Had it here probably 2 months ago. Took about like a month or 2 to come in because the guy was slacking super hard. Told him that I wanted all my money refunded because he was taking like a month plus to ship. And then once I put my PayPal case in, of course he sends it. So we ended up getting it. But can't be too sad about this. We got this dope vintage. Boom. Michael Jordan baseball jersey. Oh yeah. I sold my black one that I had to get another. We got this orange colorway. This is a little bit harder, maybe a lot harder to find. Definitely harder to come by. Woo. Those are sick. Hell yeah. It is about a size XL, I believe. Oh, size large it says. That is awesome. Thank you. Kinda thank you. Next up, we got a package coming in from Jerry from Quebec on Kijiji. Funny story about this guy. I bought this, and then a week later, the day after, he said he shipped it, and it didn't give me the tracking, so I got a little worried I got scammed. And then probably 2 weeks later, he messaged me going, "Oh, sorry, man, I was on vacation." And I was like, "Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that." And I was all worried, messaging him like, "What? Yo, man, what's going on? Like, come on." But anyway, it arrived. Boom. Can anybody tell by that? Anybody out there? Got a North Face. Probably definitely vintage. Definitely. Boom. Here we go. It's been raveled up for a while, so it's probably gonna be super wrinkly, but we got a North Face vintage Baltoro. Yes, sir. It's in the black colorway. No hood. Person did not know where that was, but that is okay. It is in great condition. No holes. And he wasn't lying. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Jerry from Quebec. Appreciate that. And then we got 2 more. This one is coming in from @TrickyMontreal on Instagram. My boys over there coming in clutch and hooking me up with this Grail. This is a personal Grail. Since I started, I've seen these and never thought I'd actually come by one, but we got it. Can you see it? Ooh, baby. Oh. We got the vintage Chanel bootleg bomber jacket. Ooh. Full silky nyloniness. Does have shoulder pads as well. Oh, great condition. Nice bootleg tag on it as well. That's amazing. That's going to the personal for sure. Nice. Damn. Thumbnail. Alright. And coming up next, I've been also waiting on this one for about 2 months. This is coming in from Thomas or T.Jr, aka Thrift Party, aka Macho Man, aka Let's Get It. This is also super fire. One sec. Alright, so this has been in this box for about 2 months as well. It is a puffer jacket. Can you see that color? Little sneak peek. Nice. Got that gray, metallic-y gray. Okay. Oh, okay, little US flag. Nice. Boom. There it is. Let me zip it up right quick. Alright, and there we go, boys. We got this vintage Polo Sport metallic puffer with the Canadian flag right there. Polo Sport on the hood or on the collar. Great condition, still fresh. Huge shout out to you, Thomas. Greatly appreciate that, man. Woo, go check him out if you haven't already. He's killing things out there in New York. It's crazy. It's crazy. Alright, thanks everybody. That'll conclude this thrift and unboxing video. Hope you all enjoyed these grails and finds today. Actually yesterday, I guess. But yeah, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe if you want to. You know, no pressure, no pressure. And we'll see you next video. Peace.